Hi, and welcome to another episode of Slow Cooking with Dale K. Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to make my famous plum crumble. Some of you may have seen me in Come Dine With Me and when I presented this dessert. So here are the ingredients: 400 grams flour, which is about 14 ounces, 200 grams sugar. I use white sugar, which is about 7 ounces, 2 egg yolks, a pinch of salt, 15 grams or half an ounce of vanilla sugar. You can either buy vanilla sugar or you can make it yourself. You can just take some normal white sugar and add some vanilla sticks in. Just leave the sticks in for a couple days and your sugar becomes vanilla sugar. 250 grams of soft butter, which is about 9 ounces. And of course, the most important ingredient is the plums. You can use other fruits like apricots, but you want to use a sour fruit because of all the sugar content in the crumble. So I use 8 large plums, which I slice in half and de-stone them. Sometimes you can't get the big plums like these ones or the little ones, so I'll use about 12 to 14, depends how many you need to cover the entire surface of your baking dish. In a large mixing bowl, add your flour. Then your sugar, followed by your egg yolks. Then your salt and your vanilla sugar. And lastly, your soft butter. Mix all the ingredients together by hand until you get a firm pastry dough. Then we're going to divide this pastry dough in half. In a greased 23 centimeter or 10-inch cake tin, layer half the pastry and the bottom. Then layer your plums on top of the pastry to cover the entire circumference of your baking tin. Then you crumble the pastry by hand to cover the entire top. And there you go, all done. All you need to do now is bake it in the oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until the top is golden brown. Beautiful. I'll now remove it from the cake tin. Wow, look at that. And serve it with a dollop of fresh whipped cream.